16 inches, 40 cm, 67 keys, and this thing is 0.325 inches apart. So I'm going to show you. And on my Stihl bar, it also says 0.325 over here and 16 inches, 40 cm, as you can see here. My problem is this hole, this thing, even though it claimed it fits Stihl 029, as you can see here, 029. I don't know what that start is, okay, but it doesn't fit, so I have to drill a hole on this bar of my Stihl chainsaw in order to fit this chain. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. The way you do this is you turn this around. Oh. Okay. The gas is on this side, so it's probably best to leave it like that. And then this is where the bar is going to sit with these two screws. As you can see, that hole, this post here, goes right into this bar here, and this bar is actually, it actually moves to the front all the way to the back, you know, back and forth to adjust. So you can adjust how long this chain is gonna be, because the back of the chain is over here, the front of the chain is over here. As you can imagine, when I have this moving forward, to move this bar forward, it's gonna make this chainsaw, it's gonna make the longer chainsaw to fit. But this chainsaw is just too short, even though I already adjusted this post all the way to the back and to the stopping screw there. So I have to drill a hole in order to fit this bar on there. So let me show you. I need to get the cover. So let me get the cover. This is the cover. Okay. Then the bar is supposed to go in there where the post is sitting. So let me fit the chain onto this bar and then try to put it in. There you go. So as you can see, that's all on, but I can't fit the bar because the screw, the bar post is over there, you know, so I need to have this come over a little bit, you know. The bar is like ahead of this screw hole here. And what I'm also going to do is see if I can move this star screw back a little bit. So that's what I'm going to be doing before I drill a hole on this bar. Okay. instead of doing a hole in here, I have this star shape set screw that was in here that's stopping this thing going all the way back. I just removed it and I backed this off a little bit using my screwdriver here, like you can see here. That's gonna back this thing all the way, you know, and hopefully it's gonna fit this chainsaw. But this is the set screw, which is the star shape, and you need what I have is a Husky Torx. This is a Torx screw. As you can see, it's a star shape. This is torque number 20. Torque 20. So I'm gonna put it to the side, and I'm just gonna put the chainsaw on. Ah, there we go. See that? Now it's on. So the chainsaw is on to this post here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the cover on and lock the two screw in. Okay, here you go. So instead of drilling a hole, that's what I did. That's what I'm doing. You know, so there you have it. Okay, I'm just gonna tighten these two screws on, and then there you have it. To fit this Oregon chainsaw or Oregon chains, L67 control cart. Okay, there you have it.